In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix games not launching on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, press the PlayStation button on your controller, scroll down and go all the way over to the power tab right here. Go ahead and select it and then fully turn off your PS5. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds and then turn it back on and try again in terms of launching that game. If it still doesn't work, what you need to do is actually go to your settings up at the very top, select the settings here, and of course go into users and accounts. Scroll down on the left hand sidebar till you get to other, find this restore licenses tab, select it, and then of course go ahead and find whatever game it is that's not launching on here, select it and hit restore. You can also highlight the specific game from the menu if it's not launching. For example, let's just say Crimson Desert is our issue. Highlight it, hit the menu or options button on your controller, and then hit check for update. And if there's an update, obviously go ahead and do that. But you also might need to update your system as well. And to do that, go back into your settings, but this time scroll all the way down to system, open that up, find system software, and then of course hit system software update and settings and hit update now, just to make sure that your software is up to date. If you're still having issues, go ahead and enter in the safe mode. To do this, you have to hold the power button down on your console until you hear 2 beeps. Connect your controller with a USB-C cable and then select rebuild database. If nothing works, a full reset may be needed. But of course, that's going to delete all the data, so I don't recommend doing that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.